Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to create a new character in Diablo Immortal. So in order to create a new character on Diablo Immortal, first of all open up Diablo Immortal game on your device. Now wait for the game to load and you will end up in this main homepage. From here you can select your server and tap on the screen to play. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left and then click on the three dots and select Leave Game. Once you do that, you'll end up in this character creation page. Tap the plus button right on the left hand side and select a different character you want to create. Once selecting the character, you can also customize the character by tapping Customize on the left. Now select the face presets, gear previews, and if you want to select your face presets, then you'll need to download additional resources. Tap on the download button in order to do so. Once you've done that, once you've done customizing the appearance, you can click on Next. Now, enter the name for your hero. Go to the bottom menu and enter the name. You can also randomize the name by tapping the dice icon. And once you find the name that suits your character, click on Create on the right. Now soon after you do that, your character appears in the sanctuary and now you're ready for your journey. And that's how you create your new hero in Diablo Immortal. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to the channel for more original gameplay breakdowns. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.